Welcome, scalpers. Let's do some pre-market scalping here on Monday. Pre-market with the NQ 1 minute. Going to use my little scalping ATM here for NQ. We scrunch the chart up. This is what it looks like. Zooming in. I'm going to get ready for a pullback if it happens back down to the blue line. We get a little pullback down as it's cycling. Okay, hopefully we get filled here. I expect we could
Order
get a
filled.
move down to around here before I get a move up here. So hopefully this happens first. Turn the sound on here.
Target filled. Stop filled.
All right, that was 3 contracts NQ 1 minute with the little ATM. There might be some more downside. I'll try
Order
break out of the
submitted.
actual signal candle. See if we can get a few more ticks here in my direction. I'll also be looking for a long. Okay, so I have a
Order
small
filled.
arrow.
Target filled. Stop filled.
All right, that was good. That was a couple more ticks in my direction. Now we do have a nice little up move. So what am I expecting? A backside off the small pullback arrow.
Order submitted.
Because after all, we are in a little up move. This already made money. This already made money. This made money already. We saw that. I'm here right now. The trend is up. So I think it's pretty safe to take a backside this way, going long. We had a backside break and a pullback. I wasn't quick enough to get this. So as it pulls back, I'm going to re-enter in case it decides to come back up after it bounces off the
Order
blue.
filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Try it again. Not liking it. Thinking about getting out maybe.
Stop
There it goes.
filled. Order submitted.
Like I saw a arrow pop up as price was around here. If that happens, it'll be a break of this previous bar will be an entry. I'll just lay my buy order right here because I do think we're going to go back up and test this high. If it doesn't fill my order and goes down, perfect. There's an entry here, breakout of this signal candle, but I don't like taking it right into the blue line because I could get a bounce. That blue line gives me trouble if I sell right into it.
Order canceled.
I'm just going to let this trade go. There's a winner. So if this arrow is still here, even on down the road, if I get a break of it, that's an entry. Okay, all that still up to 89-ish.
Order submitted.
I'm going to play this as it's a bounce going back up. We still
Order
in
filled.
a little uptrend here. Taking trades right at the blue line is very difficult because price doesn't know really where it wants to
Target
go.
filled. Stop
Well,
filled.
that worked out good in my favor. Now we tested the high here. Now we're going to get a probably push higher. So that was signal candle, backdoor, small arrow, break of the previous. Lots of entries here. Alright, you've seen everything I've taken so far. This is all pre-market on the 1 minute NQ with the little scalping ATM.
Order submitted.
Sometimes to avoid the one tick wonder, let it make the breakout, let it pull back, and if it's really going to happen good, it's going to happen again. You're almost always going to get a pullback after you get in. So why not wait till to the second or third time it actually triggers, and then it's higher
Or
probability that it will work. Not always. Remember, nothing's guaranteed.
stop filled.
The only guarantees is that price is going to come back to the blue line just about always. All right, pretty good signal so far this morning pre-market. Ultimate AI and the backdoor indicator. We could get ready to sell here, but that's going to be right into the blue line, and the blue line's going to give me trouble. So I'll just wait for something better, maybe going long because we are in a little uptrend. Okay, look at the price action, what it's doing. A little bit of a flag here. Got to see the triangle.
Order submitted.
A little bit of a bull flag maybe, or just a regular
Order filled.
flag.
Stop filled. Order submitted.
Don't
Order
like that.
canceled. Order submitted.
Try this again. Now it looks
Order
more like a bull
filled.
flag. This is a big move here, a little pullback from that big move. I'm going to put my stop right here. That back door can always be a good stop in the opposite direction. Looks like I'm going to get
Stop
stopped
filled.
out. Got stopped out with a loss. I don't want to fight going against this trend right now. I'm looking at the pattern, the bull flag pattern here. I'm thinking that it's going to go higher. Take the backside off the small arrow here with the
Order
trend.
submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
And I'm right back up to where I was. That's a pretty reliable pattern, is that bull flag right here. All right, you've seen everything I've done this morning so far pre-market. Starting the day ahead. Okay, we had a couple nice moves up, pull back, back up. Now maybe it's gonna come back to test a blue line here. We'll watch and see. I've got three signals here saying that we could get a little down move.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted.
I'm right back in. Got stopped
Order
out.
filled.
I don't want to see a green candle. I should be moving my stop to this back door right now. I'm in a short trade. This is the move to do. And that would have stopped me out right here. I'm still in this short because I think that it's gonna go down here in the next few bars with all these signals. That's why I didn't move my stop to here. But could most likely I'll probably be wrong and lose some money. Let's see. Just got too many signals saying it's gonna go down. I got good distance away from the blue line here.
Stop filled.
All right. So I held it. That's where I'm at right now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Here's a signal candle. Remember, blue line's going to give me trouble. So I should move my stop to here now. See how the blue line gives me trouble? Selling right into it, buying right into it.
Tar Stop filled.
You're going to have to endure a little pullback maybe. You've seen everything I've taken so far today with the little ATM that I use for NQ sometimes, 1 minute NQ pre-market. As promised, price is coming back down to the blue line. Okay, if I look at the 5 minute now, here's a great entry right here, and then we have AI arrow right here. Should be in on the trade already. I'm not.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
This is that quick ATM on the 5 minute. I should really be using a manual ATM right now.
Stop filled. Order filled.
All right, change my ATM. Let's go. All right, getting my stop in.
Stop filled. Order filled.
All right, I was stopped out with just a small gain, and I'm going to take it again on the pullback, getting my stop in again. Trying this one more time.
Stop filled.
Stopped out again.
Order filled.
All right, one more time. Just trying to break 1,000 before pre-market here. Damn, that was the move.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm done with this trade. I'm not going to push it anymore. Said I was done for the day. That's close enough to 1,000 for me. All right, all these signals made money here. I'm expecting a bounce here and a head back up.
Order submitted.
This will be a 25 bar trade or my opening trade. I'm just expecting a bounce. I'm expecting a run back up in this direction. I'm not going to take the short, which there very well may be a short. If it fills me on this candle, the 25 bar right now, I'll hold it with a stop and expect that the price is
Order
going to
filled.
shoot up at the open if I don't get out on this bar itself. I'm just going to do this and
Stop filled.
all right.
Order filled.
About a minute and a half till the market opens. Let's see if I get a run up on this candle. All right, too close
Stop
to the
filled.
open. I'm locking in. Now I'm going to wait till the candle closes and then stick an order up here because I think we're going to get a bounce and then a move up at the open. Should be done for the day already. I don't know what I'm sticking around for to try to do a risky trade because I'm ahead right now. All right, my 25 bar logic. We're in an uptrend. We've come down and bounce off the blue line, and it's going to shoot up right at the open for a quick scalp.
Order filled.
Well, it did that when I was too slow to get out.
Target filled.
Oh, what happened to my chart? All right, this is what happened at the open. We were in that long. It shot up. My screen scrunched up, thanks Ninja Trader. And I did get out, managed to get out with a profit, but it was a good 25 bar trade. All right, so we had that big 25 bar move. I only got a part of it because my screen scrunched up. I am going to look for a backdoor now. All right, so we're getting a lot of big wicks here on the 5 minute after the open. Nice up move. Still waiting for that first backdoor of the day that I'm going to take.
Order filled.
Okay, everything says this is going to work. Multiple signals. Hardest part of the game is when to put your stop in, when to move it.
Stop filled.
Ah, stopped out.
Order filled.
Oh, come on.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm not going to chase it. Already worked. Up over 2 grand for the day so far. Darn, it's going good now. Look at this beautiful move. Should have tried it again, but who knew?
Order submitted.
Do I want to sell right into the blue line?
Order filled.
Probably not. So it's going to give me a little trouble. This is what I mean when you take it right into the blue line, you're going to get trouble. You're going to have to be able to endure a huge pullback if it ever goes your directions. It's just not, it's just risky. Right, look at the trouble it gave me going right into the blue line. I had to endure this huge pullback, even though it will work. Well, we hope that it will work. I still had to endure this huge pullback because of the trouble and the bounce off of this blue line here. And I was up big already today, so I didn't mind. But it's something to think about if you're taking a trade right into the blue line. All right, I'm in profit. If I get out now, that's fine.
Stop filled.
No, that wasn't worth the risk.
Order filled.
Here's the 1 minute quick signal right here.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm about done for the day.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, this worked. This worked. Break out of the signal candle worked. Stopped out early. Bigger move. Should be calling it quits. 2,500 bucks. We had this move bounce off of the blue line. Another great move down. I didn't take any of this. I was looking at the 5.
Order filled.
I could sell the breakout of here. Getting in really late. But I think it's going to, everything's moving down. Here's a low right here, so it's going to come down to test that. And my job is to get a little bit of money as it does. Remember, I got in way late on this one because I was looking at the 5 minute.
Stop filled.
All right, stopped out. Still made money on that, even getting in late. Perfect signals here. Commissions. And this video is getting way too long, so I'm going to call it quits.